Nowadays wants to be a better speaker. Everyone wants to be more fluent in English, but nobody actually knows how to be more fluent and how to be more articulate. And actually, nobody is telling you how to do so. So if you are someone whose native language is Urdu or Hindi or even some other language, like even if you are from Bangladesh, you have some other language, what you have to do is follow this one technique. This will actually help you become way more articulate than you are right now, and this will actually help you become more confident, more articulate. You'll be able to express your thoughts in a better way, more quickly, and just overall you'll become a better speaker. This is especially for the people who has who who don't have English as their first language, like mine. My first language, my native language is actually Urdu, or you can say Punjabi, and I have to learn English, how to speak English. So if you're someone like me, if you speak Bengali, if you speak uh, French, Spanish, Hindi, whatever the languages that you speak, that is your native language, and you are learning English, this video is for those people. So if you're someone like that, you need to watch this video very closely, because the tip I'm going to give you has helped me a lot and will help you everyone who's watching this video. So what you actually have to do is that when you are speaking, a lot of people, when we are speaking, we are thinking in our brain, and the language we are thinking is Urdu, Bengali, our native language. You'll be thinking in that language and then translating that into English, and then you'll be speaking. If you're someone who's not native in English, this is how you'll be speaking. So what you actually have to do is, when you're thinking, just think in English. When you're thinking in English, you don't have to translate it in English and then speak. This will save a lot of that time. It will reduce a lot of that time from thinking to executing. It will reduce that time, and it will actually help you become more articulate and articulate your thoughts in a better way. You will be able to speak in a faster pace, in a better way. Like it in the start, when I started implementing this technique, it actually took just so long. It was just so annoying to think in English, because I was continuously thinking in Urdu, and then I was translating that into English, and then I was speaking. But right now, I just think in English and speak whatever comes out of my mouth, because I'm practicing communication skills myself. And this is exactly what you need to do. Just think in English and then speak. And the best technique I would tell you to practice is just think in English, speak it in front of the camera, like I'm doing right now. I'm teaching other people how to do the same. I share what I learn every single day. I'm reading a book, I'm watching a video, whatever I'm doing, I'm learning something, and whatever I learn, I give that back to the people who watch me. Nobody is actually watching me. There is might be one guy or two guys who watch me, but there would be a day when many people would be watching me, and that is exactly what I do. I learn what I learn and I teach to other people. That helps me understand that thing in a better way, and actually helps me improve my communication skills. Later on, it will help me build a brand where I'll be having young, ambitious people I would help. So this was a tip. Just whenever you are learning something, just practice speaking in front of the camera. This is a skill that you should master. If you're learning communication skills, if you're learning how to speak, the best thing that you can do is just speak in front of the fucking camera. Think in English, speak in front of the camera, and take pauses, rewatch yourself when you're speaking, and that is exactly what you need to do, and you'll become a better communicator. I've transitioned from being that guy who was not even able to speak English properly. I was at a point in my life where I wasn't able to understand English. I was at a point. There is a heavily animated video, and I'm not able to understand what this fucking guy is saying. And I've transitioned from that point to watching YouTube videos with like animations, and I was understanding a little bit. Then people completely raw video when they are speaking in front of the camera, I'm listening to that, and from that I've learned to speak. I was taking a lot of pause. I was repeatedly using the same word. My accent was shit. My accent is still shit as fuck. But I've improved that. I've worked on that. My vocabulary was shit as fuck. I I wasn't able to speak in front of the camera. I would just stutter 10 times while speaking one sentence, but I've transitioned from that to speaking continuously for 5-6 minutes in front of the camera without even thinking. I wasn't prepared for recording this video. I just turned on the camera, I sat down here, I turned on the camera, and I started speaking to you guys. And that is exactly how I make all of my videos. Just raw to improve my communication skills. And this is exactly what you need to do. So, bye bye. Do these, implement these things. Stop watching this video right now, turn off the YouTube, like go quit YouTube and turn on the fucking camera and just start speaking in front of the camera. This is me. If you don't have anything to tell, just speak how your day gone. And that is it. Bye bye.